Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stormy B. Today we're diving into an amazing organization that's changing lives and reshaping the future of technology education. Pass It On. If you've never heard of them, stick around because they're doing something truly unique to give back to the community, and I'm here to tell you all about it. Founded by Dr. Willie Sanders Jr., this group is all about empowering people with the tech skills they need to thrive in an increasingly digital world. Dr. Willie Sanders Jr., the founder of Pass It On, has a deeply personal connection to this mission. As a former Maryland public school student and later a technology instructor in Baltimore City Public Schools, he's seen the stark disparities in technology education firsthand. He realized something important. In an increasingly technical world, those without access to and training in technology get left behind. That's why in 2015, he turned his vision into reality by formally creating Pass It On as a 501c3 nonprofit. Now here's where Pass It On really stands out. They don't just donate tech resources or offer one-time workshops. They are working directly with community-based organizations and educational institutions to provide comprehensive technology training, mentorship, and even technical support. They're also helping to build the future workforce by supplying government, industry, and academia with thoroughly trained IT professionals. It's not just about getting people excited about technology. It's about equipping them with real marketable skills that can lead to careers. What makes Pass It On truly unique is their dual focus. They're empowering individuals by bridging the digital divide while also supporting the tech industry's need for skilled professionals. And let's not forget their emphasis on youth STEM education. They're sparking interest in information sciences at an early age, creating a pipeline of talent for years to come. The impact of Pass It On is undeniable. By providing access to technology curriculum and mentorship, they're transforming lives and opening doors for so many who might otherwise be left behind in our rapidly evolving tech landscape. If you are as inspired by Pass It On as I am, consider getting involved. Whether through volunteering, donating, or simply spreading the word, you can make a difference. Check them out at their website, www.passitonmd.org, and be a part of their mission to close the technology skills gap. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more stories about incredible organizations like Pass It On. And as always, keep dreaming big and giving back. See you in the next video.